Hi, I'm Luiza and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a ghost out of air dry clay. I'm using dust, but you can use whatever brand you have available or whatever brand you prefer. You can even use foam clay or even polymer clay. The first step is conditioning the clay. You want to make sure that you really condition it so it doesn't crack once it dries. After I conditioned the clay, I just started with the general shape of the ghost, and I'm smoothing out any ridges or cracks that I see. After I'm happy with the general shape and smoothness, I go to the bottom of the ghost and just stick my finger in there in order to create this big space. This is going to allow the ghost to air in less time, because if you would have let that big blob, it would have taken, I think, at least a week for it to dry completely. And this way it will dry just in a few days. And also I'm going to use this to create that ghost-like figure at the bottom. So I'm just pulling towards the bottom and making the clay as thin as possible, but while still not breaking it and being able to hold its form. If you enjoy these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. For the eyes, I decided to do some small holes, but if you don't want to, you can just paint them at the end. And this is how it looks once it's dried completely. I'm just using white acrylic to paint my ghost. but you might find that you need 2 layers instead of 1, or even 3, depending on the quality of the acrylic and how thick it is. That's not a problem, but just make sure that each layer of paint is dried completely before adding the next one. For the eyes, I'm using a black acrylic paint because I really wanted them to pop. And I know it's Halloween and our ghost was supposed to be scary, but I couldn't help myself and decided to give it 2 rosy cheeks. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!